Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you guys are new here, my name is Magdalene. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. So it's a new year. It's time for us to start hustling again, and I'm sure we are all rested. How was your holidays? So guys, I want to talk about some side hustles you can do in 2022 that you can do from the comfort of your home, that you can do just in your house without actually getting a shop or doing all those long also to have a shop business or something. First one I want to talk about is blogging. So you guys on this channel, you guys know I'm also a fashion and lifestyle blogger. So I do blogging as a side also, aside from my day job, and also YouTubing. So blogging is an easy side also you can do. And before you start blogging, you have to choose your niche. Either you want to do fashion, travel, lifestyle, mom blogging, and all that. There's several niches you can delve into. But there's one thing that is for sure when it comes to blogging. You have to be sure that that blog niche that you want to go into is relevant. It's a niche that people are actually checking out. It's the niche that people are ranking for. And some nice top niches that you can also talk about apart from fashion, travel and lifestyle, and mom blogging is workout, weight gain and weight loss. These things are big now, and when you write about such, people will drop to your site. You want to know how to lose their weight, how to gain weight, and all that. So blogging is a very lucrative side also you can take up in 2022. The only issue with the only thing with blogging is that it doesn't really bring income as fast as you expect. It's not a get rich quick income. So blogging is something you have to build in a long term. So if it's a side tool you want to pick as a new graduate or someone that needs something to just keep them busy, yes, blogging is it. And with time you get people that reach out to you to place banner ads on your website, people that reach out to you and say they want to you to write sponsored content for them. Then there are other ways of making money from blogging is Google Ads. So another side also I want to talk about that you can do from the comfort of your home is influencing. Almost everybody now is an influencer. If you are into product, you try out the product. I want to talk about it. It's influencing. If you're able to pull crowd and get people to follow you on Instagram, follow you on Twitter, and you have a lot to talk about, you can be an influencer. So if you want to go into influencing, you should be willing to try out things, you should be willing to talk about things, you should be willing to share information, because people actually come or troop close to people that they feel they're interesting, that is something they can learn from them. So influencing is another side also you can pick up in 2022 that will act as a side hustle for you. And many people get paid on influencing, though there's one catch there. Most brands want to make you start getting free product, but as soon as you have enough follower count and you're sure of what you are able to deliver for brands, it's just better you start charging them upfront. Don't take free product often, because most time free product is for you to try out and that won't pay the bills. So do influencing in a way that you actually start charging people to pay for what they do. So another site also for 2022 I recommend is Jumia Dropshipping. Yes, Jumia or Konga Dropshipping, but the most popular website that people shop on in Nigeria is an online marketplace is Jumia. So do Jumia Dropshipping. You'll be wondering, how do I do this? Do I need capital to start? You just need two capital to start dropshipping on Jumia. If you have small income like 10,000, 15,000, you can just get the products, snap with pictures, and most times Jumia is uncomplicated for you to upload pictures or products. To if you have an existing, you can just look for an existing picture of some sellers on Jumia and say that you have similar product, and you upload it on your own seller page and you start selling. In 2022 that will bring you income is freelancing. So if you're a good writer, you have digital skills, digital marketing skills, or you have graphic designing skills, product editor, people need picture editor, people need people that will write content for their website, people need social media managers for themselves. So or if you have all these skills or services, you can list it on Fiverr and you're able to list out your services for some income. You can list for as low as much and as high as you can. Then Fiverr, it's good that when you set up your account, if it's for writing, they'll give you a short test for you to write, and the test for the English test is quite simple and easy to do. So yes, Fiverr is another platform you can list your freelancing skills. There are other freelancing platforms you can actually list your services like guru.com, and there's Upwork. Upwork is for majorly hire professional, but if you're able to list your services and all the things you can do and even your portfolio, definitely you get jobs on Upwork and all that freelancing platforms. So freelancing is something you can do from the comfort of your home. You can even go as far as translating languages or transcribing. Transcribing is something that people do for people that actually do more of research work and some kind of jobs like that. So they actually record all those contents they want you to transcribe into written words. So if you're good at listening, picking, and writing words, writing good essays, so you can go for transcribing. Then the last side hustle I want to talk about for 2022 is soap making, black soap making for skincare. Yeah, skincare is something that is prominent for the 21st century millennials. We love to ensure that our skin is bubbly, our skin is shiny. We just want to glow, you know. So if you know how to make soaps that black soap that are good, or any other organic soap that are good, we will definitely patronize you. So as far as you can promote it, and you can also list your skincare product on platforms like Jumia. So for Jumia, you don't really need to drop ship other people's products. You can actually make your own product and list it on Jumia. You can list your Ankara bags. You can list your black soap or organic soap. You can list anything you actually make yourself on all these platforms like Jumia and Konga, and they will help you promote your product and sell it. So guys, if you like this kind of video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and let's join my community. Bye guys.